Before swinging a hammer, meticulous planning is crucial. Define your budget clearly and stick to it. Sketch out your desired layout, considering functionality and aesthetics. Research materials and fixtures that align with your vision and budget. Look for sales and consider reclaimed items to save money. This initial phase sets the foundation for a successful remodel. Safety first during demolition. Turn off water and electricity before removing old fixtures, tiles, and drywall. Wear appropriate protective gear. Once cleared, it's time for the rough ins. This involves adjusting plumbing lines for new sinks, toilets, and showers. Update electrical wiring for new lighting or outlets as needed. With the rough ins complete, you can start the finishing work. Install new drywall, then prepare surfaces for painting or tiling. Take your time with tile work for a professional finish. Ensure your subfloor is level and secure before laying down new flooring. Proper preparation here prevents future issues and ensures a durable, attractive surface. Finally, install your new vanity, toilet, and shower or tub. Connect all plumbing and electrical fixtures carefully. Add the final touches like mirrors, lighting, and accessories to complete your dream bathroom. A DIY bathroom remodel is a rewarding project that significantly enhances your home's value and comfort. With careful planning and execution, you can achieve stunning results on a budget.